I have put up this new exhaust vent guard on my drawer vent to stop the entries of mice and birds. Previously, I have put up this grill vent, but within 2 weeks, it is full of lint. This grill vent is good for washroom exhaust vents, but not for laundry exhaust vents. So now I will take out this grill vent and install a new vent which comes with mice and bird guard. First, I will cut the silicone bond. Then I will take out all the silicone bond which is holding this exhaust vent cover. Then I will unscrew these four screws and pull out the exhaust vent cover. Now I will open these kind of screws, which may be two or three. Now I will separate the vent cover from the exhaust pipe. See the amount of lint in this drill. I have bought this new laundry vent cover which comes with detachable bird and mice protective cover, and there is no grill inside. I will fully insert the vent cover on vent pipe. Now I will tighten the screws on both the sides. I will put aluminum foil tape to seal the leaks. I will mark holes to drill the holes for the screws. Then I will insert anchors in these holes. Then I will secure the vent cover with screws. Then I will fill all the four sides with silicone bond. Now I will attach the mice and the bird guard on top of the vent cover. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.